Hello YouTube land, Richard here. Alright, this is the final chapter, as they say. Now, this Waverunner was never on this trailer. Now, I left off adjusting the weight to 10%, which I, forgot to add that it can go from 10 to 15%. Now, I did a lot of calculations, and what happened is that this whole winch assembly, I had it back here. So when I slid it up, this affects the tongue weight substantially, believe it or not. I guess it probably weighs, I'd say probably less than 10 pounds, but enough to affect the tongue weight, which I calculated, what I would be carrying, the gasoline, which is 6 pounds a gallon. I got 18.5 gallons, which I think I came up with like 111 pounds worth of gas. You want to have your full trailer load and then 10 to 15%. Anyway, I decided, since I moved that, I decided to come in the middle at around 13%, which is around 117 pounds, something like that. Small increments, moving this, moving your jet ski forward and backward. You got to do it in very small increments because even an inch changes the weight a lot. Anyway, I got this all set up. Now, here's something for the winch. I set it up so this is just slightly higher so that, it will give clearance for the hook. Really, I feel I'm going to try it out. I think it's going to be okay. Really, like my boats, I used to, have down here. And, the one good thing, like here's the, there's a running debate and, whether this strap should go over or under. Now, it's, clear to me going under the roller will keep the jet ski from, jumping up and over it if you have to do an emergency stop on the highway. Also, it will hold it down. I think this is fine. I just raised it about a ½ inch. These things have wheels on it. As you can see, they turn. And really, it just, this trailer, I don't know. It just ain't right. If anybody has some tips, I know I've seen some guys say, put the roller down here. Then when you get it up on land, run the strap under the roller before you hit the road. Seems like a lot of work. Anyway, I'll try this out, but if anybody has any suggestions, I just don't think that, this trailer and Waverunner were not made for each other. This Waverunner is old. It's like a 2004. And, but anyway, that looks like it will do. Anyway, I'm pretty conservative with my driving. I don't plan on tailgating. I don't plan on, speeding or anything like that. And I don't plan on jamming on the brakes. So hopefully, it'll be all right. I'll let you guys know how it works out. Pulling it out will be a concern. Anyway, so I got to tighten the bolts up. But yeah, when I moved this forward, because I was pulling the Waverunner with the winch back there, and I did not consider it. But anyway, I believe I covered all the bases. And plus, I have the back of the trailer. Let me see if I can show you quick. My phone memory is, I got extra memory on this phone and I used it up. Let me see. I think it's on this side. You see, you should always, chock the back of your trailer. Not only when you're working on it like I've been, but if you get a wind, it could flip it up. But if you have that and you have your you know, you jack stand down, and you know, I usually, you know, shim it, and then I raise the jack stand up where I put a little bit of pressure on it, you know, on the back chocks. This way, if you get any horrendous winds, you know, it ain't flipping over, at least not easy. And you know, these things go over easy. That's why when I unhook it, I immediately always chock them up in the back too, you know. Anyway, so 10 to 15%. I want to point out that boat tongue weights are different. I think they're way lower. So you always want to do your research. This is my gig, the way I'm doing things, and I'll throw a disclaimer while I'm at it, that if you use any information or duplicate any actions in this video, you do so at your own risk, and by watching this video, you agree to them terms and hold the creator harmless. With that being said, guys, I hope this was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day, or whatever time it is. Anyway, peace out.